ফ্রেন্ডস, কেমন আছেন সবাই? আশা করছি আপনারা সবাই খুব ভালো আছেন। আমিও খুব ভালো আছি। তো আজকের যে কনভারসেশনটা আমি করব সেটা হচ্ছে একটি ব্যাংকিং সেক্টরে দুজন ব্যক্তি কথোপকথন করছেন। যে ব্যক্তির মধ্যে একজন হলো কনজিউমার অর্থাৎ কাস্টমার, একজন হলেন ব্যাংকার। তো চলুন শুরু করা যাক। এক্সকিউজ মি, কুড ইউ প্লিজ টেল মি দ্যাট ওয়্যার ইজ দ্য লোন ডিপার্টমেন্ট? ব্যাংকার: স্যার, ইউ আর wrong, because of the bank is waited for sanction your loan. If you go to any kind of bank, none of any branches doesn't have the loan department specifically. Consumer: well, this is my mischief, sorry. So I want to take a mortgage loan. May I able for this? Banker: of course. Tell me first, what's your profession? Consumer: I am sales executive of MNC company. I have a branch which is located near about Alipur Zoo. Banker: how many years are you being served in your company as a executive rank, and what kind of product have you launched in the market? Consumer: our product is mechanical components. We are provided and also produced motherboard, processor, RAM and assembling components. In every year ever since we have been bringing any kind of technical components in the market, yet we changed our strategy of selling as well as workshop also. Banker: I like your comments and product launching proceedings. Would you please tell me that what is your salary at the end of the month? Consumer: no, it's okay, my salary total 40,000 per month. Banker: okay, is world multitudes of loan would you be sanctioned or will you be sanctioned? Banker: okay, I will be. Consumer: I should be deserved for 35 lakh. Banker: okay, I will be right with you for discussing with my senior manager, then I will tell you. Consumer: sure you can. Banker: sorry to keep waiting, I have discussed it with my manager and he is agree to be sanctioned your loan. Consumer: this is so kind of you, thank you so much. Please sanction my loan as soon as possible. Banker: okay, please submit the necessary documents, then we will able to proceed. Consumer: yes, here are those. Well, you need to fill up this law and documents order paper. After your loan will be sanctioned. Proceedings of loan sanction. Consumer: thank you so much. Banker: thank you sir, please visit again.